this video, I'm going to share with you some words and phrases to help you tell the time in Irish. And at the end of this video, have a look at your watch, your clock or your screen and see what time it is. And using the words and phrases you've learned in this video, let me know in the comment section what time it is as you finish watching this video. Now, before you answer the question, Cén Taume, that means what time is it? Cén Taume, it's very important you understand the numbers from 1 to 12 so you have a good foundation for telling the time. Let's look at those now. A hen, a doe, a tree, a cahar, a cuig, a sé, a seacht, a hocht, a ní, a de, a hendig, a dóigh. So make sure you know those first, and that'll be a good start. Aum is time. In aum, in time. Díreach in aum, just in time. Díreach in aum. Tháinig mé in aum don lón. I arrived in time for lunch. Tháinig mé in aum don lón. Clog is a clock. Clog. Tá an clog sin lua. That clock is fast. Tá an clog sin lua. Let's look at some examples of some times now that you might see on the clock. A cahar a chlog. At 4 o'clock. A cahar a chlog. Tá sé a cuig a chlog. It is 5 o'clock. Tá sé a cuig a chlog. Man lé is midday. Man lé. Man ihe, midnight. Man ihe. Lahore is a half hour, and we would use this to explain half past whatever hour it is. So for example, Lahore tar éis hen means 1:30 or 1:30. Lahore tar éis hen. You could also say iníg instead of tar éis if you wanted to. So for example, at 2:30. Lahore iníg a dó. Lahore iníg a dó. Just another way of saying 2:30 the hour. Cahru is quarter, so you would use this to maybe explain a quarter past the hour or a quarter to the hour. Cahru tar éis a de. A quarter past 10. Cahru tar éis a de. Cahru godí a hendig means a quarter to 11. Cahru godí a hendig. You could also say chun instead of godí if you wanted to. Cahru chun a hendig. A quarter to 11. Fiche chun a hendig is 20 to 11. Fiche chun a hendig. Some more phrases then to do with telling the time could be the following. Tá sé in aum an bóthar a bhuaile. It's time to hit the road. Tá sé in aum an bóthar a bhuaile. And if you wanted to say it's time to go, tá sé in aum imeacht. Tá sé in aum imeacht. So have a look at your watch. Let me know the time in the comment section using the words and phrases that you've learned in this video. And I will see you very soon when I'll be making another Irish language video. Gurb Magat, agus Slán go fóill.